Go ahead and clear your stuff out. We don't need math anymore, and we can clear out mean and those variables we declared. Now we're going to talk about a Boolean type. We haven't talked about these yet. Boolean types can either be true or false. Those are the two values that can be of type Boolean. So for example, let's do the longhand first down here, var, and we'll just say my val value, my val or my value. And we'll have to declare this of type Boolean, and we don't have to type the whole word Boolean. Boolean is not an option. We just want to type bool, and that's a keyword. So bool means it's either going to be true or false. Equals, let's use true for example. Excuse me, and true has to be lowercase. fmt.print ln, and we'll say print my value like this. If we run this, we should print the word true, or the value true. Yep, and we could change this. Our other option is false. Run it. And booleans can only be true or false, right? If I try and make a boolean the string dog, we're gonna get an error. I am curious if a boolean can be like an empty string. In JavaScript, an empty string would be falsy. Let's see in Go. Nope, yep, so a boolean cannot be that. Can it be 0? No. So boolean has to be true or false in Go. Those are the only two options. Now, of course, we can use the shorthand here. We can just say my value colon equals true, and it's able to infer that my value is a boolean. You can see here it prints true.